In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to cut and sew a fly zipper. If you are someone that have been looking for a tutorial on how to perfectly sew a fly zipper, then you are in the right place. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, for the sewing of the fly zipper, these are the pieces I'm going to be making use of. So here I have my short pattern. I've already transferred the patterns to my fabric, the front and the back. I'm going to take the back piece aside because we're only going to be making use of the front piece. You're also going to be needing these pieces. You'll be needing your zipper, then you'll be needing the zipper fly and the sheet. So these two pieces here, you can see one is on fold and this other one is just a single piece. So what I have here is about 9 inches and this one is 2.5. Then here I have 9 inches and this is 2-inch wide. So this is what we are going to be using for the fixing of the zipper fly. So the first thing you're going to do is you will take your short pieces to the sewing machine. You're going to weave it. You will also weave this one here, then you also be weaving this other piece. So guys, after you are done weaving, this is what you're going to have. You can see I use my overlock machine to weave it and I did the same thing to the pieces here. Now it's time to sew, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to place your pieces together just like this. You will measure down about 7.5 or 8 inches. So I'm going to be making use of 7.5 for the length of my zipper. You're going to mark it. So after marking, now you're going to take it to your sewing machine. Then you're going to sew from that end down. You will sew it down just like that. So guys, after you are done sewing, this is what you're going to have. Now you're going to make a little notch. So just cut it a little bit, like about 1/2 inch. So after you are done doing that, now these pieces here, the zipper fly and the sheet, what I have earlier that I measured is 9 inches, and here we are making use of 7.5 inches for the length. So you're going to add 1 inch to that 7.5 inches. So you will cut these pieces out using 8.5 inches. So after you are done cutting it out like that, you open up your fabric just like this. You're going to take your zipper. Can you see I'm holding the zipper? You're going to place it on your fabric just like this. The zipper will be facing your fabric. So just open it up for it to be easy. Now you will take it to your sewing machine. You are going to sew it down. You will sew very close to the edge. So go ahead and sew it down like that. So guys, after you are done sewing it down, this is what you're going to have it looking like. Now you're going to take this piece, the one that is doubled, you will place it on top of it, then you're going to sew it down as well. After you are done sewing, you will have it looking like this. Can you see how it is coming out? So guys, that is it for that. Now you're going to take this other piece, you will place it on this other side, the right side facing each other. Then you're going to sew it down. You're going to make sure